Let's take a look at the security features that Fellow has in place when it comes to your meeting recap. By default, Fellow.ai is built to differentiate between small talk at the beginning of the call and the actual substance of the meeting. This means that any conversation that happens at the beginning of the call that is not related to the meeting content won't be included in the meeting summary that is sent out afterwards, so you can speak freely and worry-free. Now, let's say that you want to go one step further and redact that small talk from the transcript, or maybe something sensitive was brought up before you were able to hit the pause button. When the meeting is over, you also have the ability to redact anything sensitive from the transcript. There are steps in place to ensure nothing is redacted accidentally, but once something is redacted, it's removed from the transcript, the recording, as well as the summary and action items if applicable. In our next video, we'll discuss the security features surrounding your company library and channels. Let's discuss Fellow's security features built into your company library and channels. Starting with your company library view, it's important to note the standard security measures in place when it comes to who is able to view what in your company library. You'll notice in the top left corner of the company library view that there is an All Meetings tab. But it's important to note that this simply means all the meetings that you have access to, not all the meetings in your organization. This applies to each tab of the company library. You are only able to see and access the meeting recordings that you have access to. In contrast to these more broad library views, Fellow has custom recording channels to organize your meetings, and these are built with access permissions to keep meeting data centralized while having peace of mind that only the right people have the right access. This means that, for example, HR can create a channel for interviews they record in order to have them centralized with their other meetings, but they would be the only team or person able to view the notes or recordings. This is just another way that Fellow has privacy and security built into the entire meeting lifecycle. And lastly, it's worth mentioning that Fellow is also SOC 2, Type 2, GDPR ready, and HIPAA compliant. So you can rest easy knowing your data is continuously being protected.